Well, it's a bit chilly in here.
What?
Well, it's a bit chilly in here.
It's a bit. A bit. Not that much though. Not too much. Not chill.
Expelliarmus! Scrooge! Crucio!
Why didn't you heat up the car?
Why didn't you heat up the car?
Because I'm freezing. Happy to go.
Oh no, this won't work. That's unfortunate, isn't it? Try to get that to go to 74. No, don't pound on it! WT hell! Suck!
He got it to work. He got it to. It was like.
Don't touch it now.
Dad, Riley knows how to do this kind of stuff.
Just pound it, man.
If it doesn't work, smash it.
I'll smash you!
No!
In the head!
No.
I'm cold.
I don't think either of you read your scriptures this morning, did you?
Why don't you turn it up to 82, dude?
I was there when he broke the referee in half.
Cold, Daddy. Please come turn it up from 74.
Oh, you want to blow cold air at yourself? Sure.
No, turn it up.
It's going to go as hot as it possibly can until it gets to 74. Turning it up to 80 will make it go as hot as it possibly can until it gets to 80. At 80, we'll be uncomfortable. Why not just set it to the right temperature? 74 is probably too warm.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Are you buckled, Gunner? Are you buckled, Riley?
Yes.
How did we stop?
If there is any. Oh, one left. I already got one, dude.
Oh.
Harley already got one. I can't see anything.
I can't. You keep driving.